Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Keep your car running smoothly, simple maintenance tips for maximum mileage. Car maintenance is the key to maximizing the lifespan of your vehicle. By following a few simple tips and staying proactive with upkeep, you can save yourself time, money, and headaches down the road. Regular maintenance not only ensures your safety on the road but also helps in preventing costly repairs. In this video, we will look into essential car maintenance tips that will help keep your vehicle running smoothly for years to come. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned car owner, these practical suggestions will benefit you in the long run. One of the most common reasons for cars breaking down prematurely is a lack of proper maintenance. Neglecting routine checks and services can lead to major issues that could have been easily prevented. By staying on top of regular maintenance tasks, such as oil changes, tire rotations, and fluid checks, you are taking a proactive approach to caring for your vehicle. This not only ensures a smoother driving experience but also extends the life of your car's engine and components. In this video, we will cover a range of car maintenance tips that are easy to implement and will make a significant difference in the performance and longevity of your vehicle. From simple tasks you can do at home to the importance of professional inspections, we'll guide you through the steps needed to keep your car in top shape. So, let's dive in and explore the world of car maintenance together. Regular check UPS and maintenance. Regular maintenance plays a vital role in the overall health and longevity of your vehicle. By staying on top of routine checkups and maintenance tasks, you can prevent major issues and ensure that your vehicle serves you well for years to come. Oil changes. One of the simplest yet most crucial maintenance tasks for your vehicle is regular oil changes. Engine oil serves as a lubricant, keeping all the moving parts of your engine running smoothly. Over time, oil breaks down and becomes less effective, leading to increased friction and wear and tear on the engine components. By changing your oil at the recommended intervals, you can protect your engine and ensure optimal performance. Fluid levels. Checking and maintaining proper levels of essential fluids such as coolant, brake fluid, and transmission fluid is vital for the well-being of your vehicle. These fluids play key roles in keeping your engine cool, ensuring smooth gear shifts, and enabling effective braking. Regularly inspecting and topping up these fluids can help prevent overheating, transmission issues, and brake malfunctions, ultimately extending the life of your vehicle. Tire care. Proper tire maintenance is not only for your safety on the road but also for the longevity of your tires. Maintaining the correct tire pressure, rotating your tires regularly, and ensuring proper wheel alignment can significantly extend the lifespan of your tires. Well-inflated tires wear more evenly, rotation helps balance out wear patterns, and alignment ensures stable handling and optimal fuel efficiency. By taking care of your tires, you not only enhance your driving experience but also save money by avoiding premature tire replacements. By staying diligent with these regular checkups and maintenance tasks, you are actively investing in the longevity and performance of your vehicle. Embracing a proactive approach to vehicle care can save you time, money, and unnecessary stress down the road. Driving habits and care. Driving habits and care play a crucial role in ensuring the longevity of your vehicle. By following simple practices and being mindful of how you drive and care for your car, you can significantly extend its lifespan and performance. Let's delve into some key aspects of driving habits and care that can impact your vehicle's longevity. Smooth acceleration and braking. One of the fundamental driving habits that can contribute to your car's longevity is practicing smooth acceleration and braking. Gradual acceleration and gentle braking not only provide a more comfortable ride for you and your passengers but also help reduce stress on your vehicle's engine and brakes. By avoiding abrupt stops and starts, you can maintain a more consistent driving experience and prevent unnecessary wear and tear on critical components. Avoiding overloading. Overloading your vehicle can have detrimental effects on its suspension, brakes, and overall performance. When you exceed your car's recommended weight capacity, you put additional strain on its systems, leading to increased fuel consumption, tire wear, and reduced handling capabilities. To ensure optimal performance and longevity, always adhere to the manufacturer's guidelines regarding load capacity and avoid overloading your vehicle with excess weight. Proper parking. Proper parking practices are often overlooked but can significantly impact the health of your vehicle. When parking, always choose a level surface to prevent strain on the transmission and tires. Avoid parking on steep inclines, as this can put unnecessary pressure on the transmission and parking brake. Additionally, make sure to engage the parking brake when parked on an incline to prevent your vehicle from rolling. By following these simple parking guidelines, you can maintain the structural integrity of your car and avoid potential damage over time. By incorporating these driving habits and care practices into your routine, you can promote the longevity of your vehicle and enjoy a smoother driving experience for years to come. Remember, small adjustments in your driving behavior and maintenance habits can lead to significant benefits in the long run. Thanks for joining us in part 1 of our series on keeping your car running smoothly. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll delve deeper into additional maintenance tips and techniques to help you maintain maximum mileage and performance. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.